Prosecutors and defense attorneys in the case of former Minneapolis police officer Mohammed Noor gave their closing arguments. Mohammed Noor is charged with 3 counts in the shooting of Justine Ruszczyk-Damond on July 15, 2017. During her closing arguments, prosecutor Amy Sweezy urged the jury to find Noor guilty on all 3 counts. She ended her closing arguments showing a picture of Justine Ruszczyk-Damond and saying that the last thing she said to her fiance when she was talking to him on the phone was, "Okay, the police are here." Defense attorney Thomas Plunkett began his closing argument in a dramatic fashion. He started banging on the podium or the table. He shouted an expletive and then he said, "Pow." And according to court testimony from former Officer Mohammed Noor and his partner, Officer Matthew Harity, they said they heard a loud noise like a bang, and then Harity yelled out in fear, and then Harity said he heard a pow as Officer Noor fired his weapon at Justine Damond. And then he said that that noise, the reaction of Mohammed Noor's partner, Officer Harity, they created a perfect storm that led to a tragedy. Prosecutor Amy Sweezy said that there are many things that are known about this case. The juries heard from 60 witnesses. They had all the evidence brought out before them. But there are some unknowns, and one of the unknowns that Sweezy mentioned was that this whole idea of the car being slapped or banged on or thumped, she said that that was something that neither Officer Noor nor Officer Harity mentioned at the scene of the shooting. And it was something that officers at the scene kind of came up with as they were trying to determine what happened, because they couldn't figure out why this woman was lying dead in a driveway.